This is an civil danger emergency broadcast from Alert Ready. A killer Pikmin is headed to the east of Canada. The Pikmin has killed several people in Ottawa, Ontario. Look out for a toxic Pikmin with a knife. It is described as colored green, has a pointy nose, black eyes and green pupils, and a broken mask. If Pikmin is observed, please call 911, or seek immediate shelter. The killer Pikmin will have a shot as the crisis ends in 9 a.m. tomorrow. Normal program will resume.
This is the killer Pikmin controlling Alert Ready. You will die because
Warning, error, emergency alert, This is not a drill. Please turn off not the televisor. HSBSBANENGAMANQHSGBGO. We apologize for the Alert Ready glitch. It was the killer Pikmin who glitched the Alert Ready alert and we had to fix it. Repeat. We apologize.